Today, guys, we are making some protein ice cream, but with a little bit of a twist. This is kind of a new one in my repertoire, but Jenna's gonna walk us through this one.
Yes, I'm a huge dessert lover, and the best news when it comes to a dessert is that you can actually make it protein forward, so you can enjoy a full thing of ice cream on your couch each night and feel great about what you're having. So Robbie, I'm gonna have you add 2 cups of milk. This is 2% that we're using, and we're actually gonna add it to a shaker cup. This is my favorite little hack for mixing your creamy batter. And this is actually gonna make 2 servings. So if you don't want a full container, you can cut this recipe in half. Now, a great little hack for making your ice cream extra creamy and just kind of giving that small ice cream parlor feel is actually pudding mix. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla pudding mix. And that was vanilla protein powder that we're using. So Robbie, go ahead and add 2 scoops to the cup.
Doing two heaping scoops, 2 flat scoops.
Flat scoops. This is so great if you're on the couch at night with your spouse. You can whip up the whole thing and you can each have a big serving of protein. That milk alone is gonna give you a huge boost, but this protein powder at 20 grams per scoop, huge, huge boost in protein. I wish. Maybe later.
Yes.
And the great thing with the Formula One too, it's a thinner protein, it's an isolate, so it's gonna blend so smooth. Look at that. Perfect, right to the fill line. Now, we are going to close this up. The hardest thing about the Creami is the wait time. You gotta wait overnight, but we have a little TV magic for you.
1 eternity later.
Wow, that was fast.
It's incredible, as fast as 24 hours ever. So you wanna let this sit out for about 10 minutes before you whip it up. And then we are going to go ahead and place it in.
Beautiful thing about the Creami, it's a versatile thing. Technology is awesome in that way that this is really gonna take some stuff that traditionally would probably, if you just tried to freeze it on your own, would be like super icy and get you that texture, really make you feel like it is a real ice cream, and then you can fold things into it, which we're gonna get to, but we're gonna strap it in.
You know, me and Robbie did an episode in the past with gadgets in the kitchen, and are they worth it? And this was our favorite one.
It was.
We 100% agree that the Ninja Creami is worth it. So we're gonna whip this up. It's very loud in case you don't know. And then while we wait on this to go, Robbie's gonna show you what we're mixing in.
So we're just wrapping up. Our Ninja Creami just finished chopping or whipping or mixing, whatever you're gonna call that. So we have our level 1 bar here. So we're gonna mix it in. Not only do we have something that is just macro friendly and delicious, texturally very satisfying, but I figured out this hack where you chop up these level 1 bars and you use the mix in option.
It's gonna add texture, it's gonna add some interest, because this is a great base. Now you could add berries in here, you could add whatever you want, or nothing at all, but this is such a great little treat. You're having the pretzels, the peanut butter, the chocolate.
Yeah, and if you're on a fat loss journey or anything like that, and you're really like craving or missing the sweets, I mean, this is a great macro balanced way to kind of get those things in without trashing your progress or setting you way back.
Go ahead and throw that in. And I would recommend every now and then with the Creami, as you use it, you'll learn when you might need a little splash of milk to just kind of thin your base out just a little bit. And I think this one needs just a little bit for the remix. Yeah, perfect.
Got it.
You taught me well. Okay, we're gonna do mix in, full fill.
A few moments later.
Oh my
look
gosh.
at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Ben and Jerry, eat your heart out.
Literally.
Oh.
Wow, the texture is so great. Big spoon or little spoon?
I think your husband's in the other room, so I'm going to say
No,
I'll take a fork or something else.
A knife.
Yeah, good. Oh. Every time.
It's unbelievable.
It's so good.
100% worth the investment, but whenever you can take something that you love that feels like such a treat and make it something you can feel good about and reach your goals, there's nothing better.
Well, I'm being inappropriate over here. If you could like, subscribe, and comment, we would love it.
And don't forget to ring that post notification bell so you can be notified on the next episode.
No, I'm gonna go over here with this.
I'll go over here.